This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Synergy SP24 is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Arctic Frost, Regal Onyx, sparkling wine interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Synergy SP24 is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.